This is the road that connects Fredriksdorp with the surrounding villages. The surrounding villages are Margarita, Alliance, and Bucky, or rather some of the villages. We are now on our way to Margarita, one of the closest surrounding villages of Fredriksdorp. You can hire the bicycles for SRD 50 for an additional 3 hours. I'm going to finish the bike tour and I'll see you when I'm at Fredriksdorp. Plantation Fredriksdorp used to be a coffee and cacao plantation. It was owned by the German Fredriksdorp. It can be found along the riverbank of the Commewijne rivier in the district Commewijne. Declared a World Heritage Site because of the old plantation houses that can be found to this day. Getting here is easy when exiting from Paramaribo. You have to make your way to Commewijne in Zulen, where there is a boat that will take you to Fredriksdorp. The boat will cost 80 Surinamese dollar for a return trip. Entering Fredriksdorp, you will come across a billboard with the different kinds of sea turtle tours that can be done in Fredriksdorp, with the most famous one being the leatherback turtle. Here you have information which months are the best to visit. Behind me, you have one of the cabanas where you can spend the night. Unfortunately, I can't show you the interior of the cabana, but what I do know is that it will cost you an additional 45 euro per person to spend the night. There's also an option, if you're here for a day trip, to hire the cabana for about 35 euros for the whole house, for the whole cabana, I mean. Another popular activity that can be done in Fredriksdorp is canoeing. You can hire a canoe for around 50 Surinamese dollar an hour, I think. I sure would like to go canoeing, but today my time is limited. Maybe the next time I'll visit Fredriksdorp, I'll try the canoeing tour. So my day trip has come to an end. I highly recommend this place to tourists and locals. And if you would like to see more content like this, please leave a like and subscribe down below. Till the next trip. Peace.